Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of IMVU. So today I'm gonna show you how you can change room ambient of your room if your room is dark, or if you want to change some inside your room. So first of all, please like and subscribe and also hit the bell icon. It will help us to reach more people. You can also comment below. So let's start our video. First of all, you need to go inside your IMVU shop. Then you need to open your room in which you want to put the room light. Then you can go inside furniture, and inside furniture section you can search for room ambient light. So here are some lights. I will show you how it will work inside room. So as you can see in my face and inside the room, the lights are changed of the room. I will show you some other. So as you can see, my room lights are changed. It's only work for dark rooms. If you have any darker room, you can try these lights inside your room and make your room look more good. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and bye.